when there's an E at the end, the vowel I says I. Let's have few examples. Br, br, I, b, bride. H, I, d, hide. W, I, f, wife. L, I, k, like. P, I, l, pile. T, I, m, time. N, I, n, nine. And there are many examples for this. R, I, p, right. F, I, fire. R, I, z, rise. W says I, t, white. F, I, v, five. Pr, I, z, price.